Automation has always been associated with strict rules. That classic logic of if this happens, then do that. Tools like Zapper, Make, and n8n became famous exactly because of that, connecting apps and creating automated workflows. But there's a problem. Whenever something changes in the process, someone has to go back and rebuild the entire workflow manually. Now imagine a different scenario. Instead of building each step of the flow manually, you simply describe the goal. And the AI itself creates the complete workflow, decides the necessary steps, executes the process, and even improves the flow over time. This is the idea behind Deep Agent. Today I'm going to show you how this idea works in practice and why many people are already saying that this could represent the next evolution of intelligent automations. Deal? So let's get to the video. A workflow system executes decisions by connecting tools, databases, and external services. The difference is that here, the workflows don't need to be completely built manually. You can simply explain the result you want, and the system generates the workflow automatically. This concept is called intent-driven automation. Instead of programming step by step, you define the final goal. The AI plans the process and creates the necessary workflow. One of the classic examples of business automation is invoice processing. The problem is that invoices rarely follow the same format. Some are PDFs, others are images, some have complex tables, and others have completely different layouts. With an agent-based system, the process can be much smarter. Take a look at this prompt I'm using. Build a multi-step workflow. The first step receives the upload of a PDF invoice or an image. The second step takes the file and extracts the supplier, invoice number, amount, date, invoice items, taxes, and payment terms. The third step takes the extracted data and validates it, marking missing fields as not found. The fourth step takes the validated data and converts it to CSV format. And the final step makes the CSV file available for download. It's that simple. So I added a prompt asking exactly what type of workflow I want to create. So what is Deep Agent going to do now? It will automatically generate a workflow that will detect new files, extract data using AI, check for inconsistencies, organize the data in a structured database, and generate reports. Look how interesting that is. This type of automation definitely reduces a lot of manual work in financial areas. Done. It has already finished creating my workflow here. And notice that I have something quite simple here. The most interesting thing is that if I want to make any adjustments, add some nodes, like for example, send an email, create another table, generate a dashboard, or generate a chart, it doesn't matter. I just need to add these nodes here manually or ask AI to do it. So the process is very visual. I can visualize each step of my workflow. And to see if it's working, let's upload an invoice here. Just upload it. It will read my invoice and process everything with artificial intelligence. And in the end, it will give me a ready-made report. Just imagine if I had to run this same process with 1, 2, 10, 1,000 invoices per month. I could throw all of that into this workflow here and I would automatically get this result without having to run a single line of code, without having to do absolutely anything. Just upload the material and let artificial intelligence do all the work for me. Now let's go to the second example. Another common scenario is lead management. Companies receive contacts from various sources, forms, landing pages, events, or social networks. But before making contact, many teams need to gather information on each lead. With agentic workflow, this can be fully automated. Check out this prompt. Build a multi-step workflow. The first step receives the company's website URL. The second step takes this URL and searches the web for information about the company's industry, number of employees, news from the last 30 days, and investments received. The third step takes the search results and analyzes them. The fourth step takes the analysis and generates a personalized email between 150 and 200 words mentioning specific findings and requesting a 15-minute meeting. Basically, this is my prompt. I have some other instructions here that will guide the artificial intelligence so it can build my workflow as completely as possible. Look, it finished building my workflow here, and this time it's something quite complex. Notice that I have several steps here spread across all these nodes. So the more complex your workflow is, the more steps it has, the more elements your workflow will have. In this case, I have 7 steps to be executed. So in this first part here, I can view my entire workflow. In this other tab, I can test it. So I'm going to put Apple's URL here and simply ask it to start the analysis. And look how interesting this is. It automatically searches for information about the company, number of employees, latest news, all the most relevant data about Apple. And from there, it will compose my email, do the follow-up, and so on. This whole process that I used to do manually is now handled entirely by artificial intelligence. Within this workflow that I asked Deep Agent to create for me, so regardless of your field of work, you can create a workflow with all the elements, all the steps to be executed automatically. And in the end, it will give you either a link, a file, a dashboard, a chart, and so on. It's your choice. You just ask the artificial intelligence and it does the work for you. Well, in this last example, I want to create an automatic report pipeline workflow. Check out what I'm going to ask. Build a workflow where each task is a separate step. Start with an upload step that accepts PDF files, Excel files, email text, or a URL. The next step will extract all the numbers, dates, and metrics from the files. The following step organizes the extracted data into monthly and annual revenue, costs, expenses and marketing, customers, quantity, acquisition, and churn, and market trends, patterns identified only in the documents. Then I'm asking the following. Create a separate calculation step for month-over-month growth. Create another separate calculation step for year-over-year growth, and also a separate step to calculate the profit margin. That's basically it. There are other instructions here so that he can create my workflow in the best possible way. Once that's done, I'll send the command. So, what's the idea here? Once again, it's to automate processes. I have something very complex here that would take hours of work, not just from me, but from all my employees to carry out this kind of task. So, I'm going to set up this workflow, and from there, I'll be able to get all this data just by uploading PDF files, URLs, Excel text, and so on. Done, it's already finished here. I'll upload my file. Notice that it's running all the steps of my workflow here. So, I have step number 1, number 2, from 3 to 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on. All the steps will be executed here until it can give me the result. Done, it's finished. And as I requested, it generated a link here for me to download the PDF file. File downloaded. Let's see how it turned out. Look, here I have my document where I have an introduction, the charts, and then at the end, the conclusion that it reached after analyzing the document I uploaded here. So, guys, this is really cool because you can build a workflow without knowing how to code, without having to manually change the processes, none of that. You just need to talk to AI, ask for what you want, and it will automatically build your workflow the way you want. Really cool, right? So, if you work with automation, SaaS creation, or even building AI agents, it's worth keeping an eye on this kind of technology. The trend is that more and more tools will combine AI, workflows, and agentic automation. If you want to explore Deep Agent's full power, check the link in the description or the first pinned comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye. I've traveled the globe.
I've been